Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Working Money, getting your money working for you. On today's episode, here's the question we're going to ask. Is it time to do away with the numerous Ripple XRP price predictions? And here's an article from June 20th, which was just yesterday, asking just that. Is it time to do away with the numerous Ripple XRP price predictions? And I'm going to go through this article a little bit, and I've got mixed feelings on this. So let's start here. Cryptocurrency price predictions are the norm in a very young industry of digital assets and blockchain. We have everyone predicting that such and such a coin will be a certain value in 3 months or even 6 months. Some price predictions go far ahead of time in time, as far as 2022. If you made an entry into the crypto markets back in December, one of the most popular phrases was "when Lambo." I'm sure some of you guys remember that hashtag "when Lambo," and it basically just goes on to say that there was a website or a formula that if your crypto got pumped by 200 times and you put in $1,000, that you could buy the most affordable Lamborghini. But the crypto markets would not follow the path hoped by many crypto traders. Many Ripple XRP believers had hoped that by now we'd be seeing a $3 to $4 XRP coin value by June of this year. Right, so of course, there's going to be people who, they see what XRP can do, and they also realize, well, there are other coins that are going up, some are going down, some are going up, most are going down. Actually, all of them are, have been kind of going down during the first quarter of 2018. But, we were hopeful. We were hoping that we'd see $3 to $4, and this is based on the first reason they had predicted these levels was the anticipation of Coinbase listing XRP, which we know obviously never happened on its exchange. The rumors of a Coinbase listing have been present in the cryptoverse since early January, when XRP had peaked at $3.79 in anticipation of the announcement that never came. The Coinbase conversation is still around on popular platforms such as Reddit. Another reason for XRP predictions of a $10 Ripple came with news of SBI Holdings releasing their own cryptocurrency exchange. And of course, guys, this again, people are predicting these numbers based on rumors and basically just based on news, positive news. This event happened only days ago, and the exchange is live and running for pre-registered users who did so in October. The effects of the exchange on the price of XRP are yet to be felt with the current market decline that has been going on since January. So, is it with the reality of the current market performance that it might be time to abandon all Ripple XRP price predictions completely? So price predictions are good if the crypto markets are in an upward trend, but with fears of regulation in the United States, South Korea, Russia, India, and the rest of the globe, the reality is that many big-time investors are yet to embrace the crypto markets completely. Okay, so here we go. This is kind of big right now. Big right here. Many big-time investors are yet to embrace the crypto market completely. So what is that telling us, guys? That's telling us essentially all we're seeing right now are retail investors, mom and pop operations, people like you and me, Joe down the street with $1,000 who might want to get into some Bitcoin or whatever. And, these are the kinds of people that are trading right now. And it's because of the lack of regulation. So it goes on to say they are waiting for the regulatory stalemate to end so they can make an entry into crypto. Until then, any price predictions might be a delusion. Any crypto hodler who expects big things due to the constant bombardment of social media of promises of doubling or tripling their investments in the short term. So, guys, this is a big issue here. A lot of people are making these price predictions, and a lot of these price predictions are based on hype. A lot of these price predictions are based on, well, if Coinbase, lists XRP, or, SBI Holdings release their own cryptocurrency exchange. None of this stuff really can sustain a price for any coin, really. I mean, this is small potatoes, as they say. So back to the matter at hand. No one knew the Conrail hack would cause such havoc. Neither did anyone foresee the BitThumb hack earlier this morning. So guys, this is what's called a black swan event. When we see hacks, nothing that anybody can predict. So when we see stuff like this, people get scared. They take their money out. They may put it into fiat, but people don't want to lose their money. So when they see hacks, price goes down in all the coins, not just Ripple XRP. So it is therefore these few points that it might be wise to do away with more Ripple XRP price predictions. Now, At the same time, I agree and I disagree. So, okay, let's take a look at the market right now. The market is super, super, super small in terms of market cap. We're only seeing retail investors. We need regulation to go through in order for big time money to flow through the system. So, right now, what we're seeing is basically every crypto is following the beat of Bitcoin, going by the beat of Bitcoin, and everything is basically doing the same thing. Now, to do away with price predictions altogether, I think that this article has a point. However, there are ways that you can do price predictions that are more legitimate than others. For example, Susie Crew of Esoteric Trading Solutions, I'm sure you guys have seen her price prediction. It's a 55-minute video with a lot of dense information, guys. And if you want to sit down, with a coffee or something one morning and take an hour out of your morning to just watch it and listen, and even take notes, because Susie's got some really interesting things to talk about. And she predicts a price prediction of XRP, and I'm sure you guys know this. This is a really famous price prediction. She published this video in May of 2018 of $334.47 USD per 1 XRP. Now, spoiler alert, guys, this price prediction is after 1 year, not 1 year from the day she made this video, but this XRP price prediction is 1 year after adoption. So mass adoption, all the things we've been hearing about Ripple and their partnerships, and who's going to use XRapid, who's going to use XCurrent, all these partnerships. This is 1 year after adoption, or rather, I believe this is actually 2 years after adoption. I think she has a few. I think she goes by 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years in the video. But this is a price prediction after 2 years of mass adoption, guys. So, if you think we're going to hit this next May, that's unrealistic because realistically, we have to see adoption before anything happens. And just to go back to my point before, everything is going by the beat of Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin chart. And as you can see, guys, no matter what chart, and I keep hammering this point home, no matter what chart you look at, whether it's XRP, Ethereum, everything has been doing the same thing. There was a huge bull move up, and then a sharp decline right until here, which was early February. You look here, it's the same thing. Sharp decline till early February. And you look at Ethereum, bull move up, sharp decline, early February. And then we saw a little bit of pushback from the bulls, move up again. Same with Bitcoin, push up from the bulls. Same with Ripple, push up. Same with Ethereum, push up. And you guys can check this with any coin. Here's the Litecoin chart. Same thing. Move down, early February, push up. Same thing with Bitcoin Cash. Strong bull move up, push down, early February, move up. And guys, these trends are so predictable, you can set your watch to it. And then the bears came in here, consolidated here early, when was that? Early April. Okay, same with XRP, guys. We saw all-time low early April. Same with Ethereum, guys. All-time low early April. You guys can do this research yourself. I mean, I don't have to tell you this. All these charts are identical. I mean, they're not carbon copies of each other, but they follow all the same patterns. So, guys, when we're talking about price predictions, there's some things you should look at and there's some things you shouldn't look at. I hope you guys liked today's video. Please like the video. Please subscribe. Tell all your friends about the channel. Would love to hear your comments. Do you guys think it's time to do away with Ripple price predictions? Or do you think they have a place? They just need to be educated price predictions. Tell me in the comments, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.